Welcome back to Andy's Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to add users to a SharePoint site. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time here in SharePoint, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Now, adding users to a SharePoint site can serve several important purposes depending on the specific needs and goals of your organization or project. Because, number one, in terms of the collaboration, SharePoint is designed to facilitate collaboration among team members. And of course, by adding users to a SharePoint site, you enable them to access shared documents, calendars, tasks, and other collaborative tools. This fosters teamwork, improves communication, and allows for efficient sharing of information within the team. If you haven't done so, you need to click create the site first for this training purposes. I'm gonna do it right now, and this is gonna be a team site for now. All right, I'm gonna create a private space to collaborate with my team, track and stay updated on the project status, share team resources and co-author content. All site owners and members publish site content and can connect to other Microsoft 365 products. Now, from here, again, if you haven't done so, you can choose from Microsoft, from your organization right here. All right, you can go for the standard team, crisis communication team, employee onboarding team, event planning. I'm gonna choose maybe the standard team for now. All right, so this is gonna be the template, and I'm gonna click on the use template. Now, in this case, I'm gonna be putting it something like Andy's guides and these guides. All right. Now I'm gonna click on next. All right. So the privacy settings, you can go for the public. Anyone in the organization can access the site, or go for the private. Excuse me. Or the private only members can access the site. You can choose the language that you wanted, and obviously that we're going to use English for now. All right. After that, click on create site. You can add members, and this is where you add members to a SharePoint site. At this point in time, you can of course go for the email address, or if they have that, start typing name if they are already users in this specific site. All right, it's up to you, but at this point it's very important to add users for now. But if you don't know on the usernames, you might gonna skip that out and click on finish. And after that, the next option that we're going to do is go to the edit section, because in that sense what we can do is obviously share it to anyone. All right. Now, once you are inside the site, all you're gonna do is, you see this is gonna be the real-time dashboard. You can add real-time chat. You can add Microsoft Teams to collaborate in real time and share resources on the Microsoft 365 with your team. All right, you can add Microsoft Teams if you wanted. All right, so it makes it easier to chat with their colleagues, coordinate online meetings with partners, work together on a shared content. If you want to, just click on continue, but we're going to skip that for now. It's going to be for a separate video. Now, the thing is, you see there's going to be a one member here, and if you wanted to add more members, all I'm going to do is click the add members, and that is basically adding users to a SharePoint site. Now, it's up to you on the level of comfortable permissions that you wanted to access on this site. All right, but basically when you click on the add members, you see add team members to this group. To add guests outside of your organization, go to Outlook, but the site owners have full control of the site theme, permissions, settings, site settings, and hub associations. Now, the site members can edit and of course view site content, including files, pages, lists, and navigation. To make a member an owner, add them as a member and then use the drop down arrow in the member profile to make them an owner. And all they're gonna do is add members. You can start typing team, especially if they have an account here in Microsoft SharePoint as well. It's gonna be a lot easier. All right, and once you're happy with that, you would be able to see the members that can access the SharePoint site that you have created right now. All right, and I believe that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.